Like, subscribe, and get notified.
It was Vasco Veterans who took the lead in the 16th minute with a goal scored by their star player, Mario Coleco. The first half came to an end with Vasco Veterans in the lead, but Bardez Veterans refused to go down without a fight. The second half saw Bardez Veterans relentlessly trying to equalize the score, but the Vasco defense remained solid and did not allow any goals. With time running out, the Bardez team stepped up their attack, but the Vasco goalkeeper, Vicky Sharma, showcased his exceptional goalkeeping skills and kept them at bay. The match concluded with Vasco Veterans holding onto their lead and emerging as worthy winners of the 20th Flame of Unity Veteran Football Tournament.
Watch on Herald TV.